should your user's address live inside the user document or in its own collection. Embedding means storing related data directly inside the same document as a nested subdocument or array. For example, a blog post document might contain an array of comment objects right inside it. MongoDB reads the entire document in one query, so all the data you need is fetched at once. No joins required. Referencing stores related data in a separate collection and links documents using an ObjectId or another key. Think of it like a foreign key in SQL. When you need the related data, you run a second query or use an aggregation lookup to join the two collections. Here's the key trade-off. Embedding is great for read performance since everything loads in one shot, but if the same data appears in many documents, you'll have duplication and painful updates. Referencing avoids duplication by keeping a single source of truth. One hard constraint. MongoDB documents have a 16 megabyte size limit, so deeply embedded arrays that grow without bound will eventually break things. As a rule of thumb, embed for one-to-one and one-to-few relationships and reference for one-to-many or many-to-many. Embedding nest data for fast reads. Referencing links documents for clean, scalable data. Master these two strategies and you'll model MongoDB like a pro. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.